Hey Tesla fans, exciting news coming straight from Shanghai. Tesla is planning to produce a six-seat variant of its popular Model Y in China by late 2025. This move aims to boost the appeal of the already best-selling Model Y, which has been a hit since its release in 2020. So, why the six-seater? Well, there's increasing pressure from domestic rivals in China like NIO and Zeekr, who have rolled out some fierce competition this year. The new six-seater variant is designed to keep Tesla ahead of the game. Tesla has already asked suppliers to gear up for a substantial increase in Model Y production at its Shanghai factory, and while the specifics are still under wraps, it's clear that Tesla is not taking any chances. Now here's something interesting. Tesla's Shanghai plant is already seeing a 6% increase in Model 3 deliveries thanks to last year's launch of an updated version. Imagine what this new Model Y variant could do. But wait, there's more. Tesla is also eyeing the launch of its full self-driving feature in China by the end of this year. This could be a game changer for sales, especially in the smaller cities where Tesla is seeing strong growth. The Model Y is already the best-selling car in China, with sales of 207,800 units from January to June. But the competition is heating up with BYD's Seagull sedan close behind. And for those wondering about the seven-seater Model Y available in the US, it's not coming to China. Why? The third row is just too cramped, even for a large dog. So keep your eyes peeled, Tesla fans. The six-seat Model Y is coming, and it's sure to shake things up in the electric vehicle market in China. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Tesla news. See you in the next one.